What's up guys, Rishabh here from Tech Rush and welcome to Tech Update April. So let's get started. First up is regarding the launch of the Google Home and the Google Home Mini speakers in India. Yes, Google has just officially launched the Google Home and Google Home Mini speakers in India. And mind you guys, I already have one Google Home Mini speaker at the back. So Google Home and Google Home Mini are the speakers which have the Google Assistant built in. You can ask them your calendars, your emails, your reminders, and the weather, etc. So that's very good. And as far as the prices of these two speakers are concerned, the Google Home Mini in India is retailing for around 4,500 mark, whereas the Google Home, the original one, the big brother to the Google Home Mini, is retailing for in the 10,000 category mark. So these are the prices for the Google Home and the Google Home Mini. I'll actually post the link down in the description where you can buy the Google Home and Google Home Mini from, so stay tuned for that. Moving on to the next point is regarding iOS 11.4. Yes, iOS 11.4 is in beta testing right now, and it's kind of surprising why iOS 11.3.1 didn't come out, and Apple is starting to test after 11.3. Apple is starting to beta test iOS 11.4. And iOS 11.4 brings two major changes. That is, finally, iMessages and messages in iCloud is finally here in iOS 11.4, and the Apple AirPlay 2 is finally here in iOS 11.4 as well. So Apple AirPlay 2 allows your iPhone, iPad, iPod, etc. to play music on various HomePod devices, and iOS 11.4 also includes certain improvements as well as bug fixes. So moving on to number 3. Number 3 is actually regarding Google. The Google, as you know, the Google Home, and I just talked about it. Google is now teasing us with the summer wallpapers, and that gives us a possible hint of what it's going to call the next version of Android. And I actually saw that the wallpapers, and I actually saw a popsicle style wallpaper in it. I think Android P is going to be called Android Popsicle, I guess. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And moving on to the next news. The next part is actually regarding Android P's navigation bar getting a major redesign. I think it's not a redesign; it's more like a copy of the iPhone 10, because I think the navigation bar is more like a gesture-based navigation bar instead of being a traditional Android-like navigation bar. So I think the navigation bar, Google redesigning the navigation bar is more like copying the iPhone 10, I guess. So it's not really a navigation bar. So I think that's a big change from what we are traditionally used to in Android phones and stock Android phones and tablets and other phones which run stock or a near stock version of Android. So I think that's a welcome change. So these are all the updates for the tech update for April. And let me know what you guys think about this. And as always, guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.